Hey everybody, Jim here again from Razors and Rods Media. Hey, we're here today in Sun City Center. We're here with the Roamin Oldies Club. We're here for their Christmas bash. They're also giving away their Cruiser of the Year award today. So they have all the Cruisers of the Month here. They're picking one that's going to be Cruiser of the Year. You're going to see that here on the video. We've spoken to all of them. We're here. Thanks for Batteries Plus for sponsoring this. We've got quite a few cars here. We've got a whole parking lot full of hot rods. So we've shot a bunch of video here today. You're going to see that here in a minute, so we hope you like it. And you'll be seeing more of us and Roamin Oldies here soon. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you at the next show.
Christmas, I'll dream of a private yacht, sail anywhere if it's hard. But I got the dream that's making me beam. It's you, me, and mistletoe. I'll dream of a Christmas tree lit up with a gift for me. But this I insist is top of the list. It's you, me, and mistletoe. Twinkling lights, crackling fire. Let's watch the snow. Wintry nights full of desire that dreams only know. Don't you know this song is for you, my dear? This Christmas I long to hear that finally the theme is more than a dream about you, me, and mistletoe. I'll dream of a happy throng, good friends and a Christmas song. But perfect for me is a party of three. That's you, me, and mistletoe. I'll listen to children sing, no doubt in the joy they bring. But my heart's desire is away from the choir. It's you, me, and mistletoe. Jingling bells, cozy hotels, we're dressed for snow. All that I miss is a Christmassy kiss from an angel I know. This Christmas, hold off on that private jet. It ain't made me happy yet, but holding you near is the height of my year. Yes, you, me, and mistletoe. I'll dream of our rendezvous, our evergreen spot for two. This Christmas, a dream will come true for you, me, and mistletoe.
It's all right.
That goes to the Cruiser of the Year.
I'm Ron Gaither. I have a 64 Oldsmobile 442 convertible, and I was Cruiser of the Month last December.
Hey, I'm Mark Johnson, Cruiser of the Month for January. I'm driving a 1956 Buick two-door special called the Model 48.
Hey, my name's Brandon Brown. I drive a 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe, and I was Cruiser of the Month for the month of March.
My name's Terry Dink. This is 1965 Corvair Monza convertible. I was Cruiser of the Month for April with the Roamin Oldies.
My name is Mark Donahue. I am Cruiser of the Month for June with my 1970 Chevy Chevelle, the 454 and a TH400 transmission.
Hi, my name is Mike McClintock. I live in Kings Point. This is a 2004 Thunderbird Pacific Coast Roadster, and I'm the Cruiser of the Month for July.
Hey, I'm Paul Scottberg. This is my 1978 Trans Am Custom. It's got a custom convertible, 73 front end, 79 back end. It's the only 78 that was ever turned into convertible by National Coach Engineering, and it's Macho TA number 97.
Cruiser of the Month.
And I was Cruiser of the Month for August.
Hi, my name is Larry Rhodes. I'd like to welcome you to my 1938 Chevrolet that was selected for the Cruiser of the Month of the Roamin Oldies Car Club for Cruiser of the Month in September of 2024.
Hey everybody, my name's Kevin McPherson. I'm driving a 1969 Camaro with a 454 in it, and I'm Cruiser of the Month for October 2024.
Good afternoon, I'm Bill Campbell, and this is my beautiful 67 Camaro RSSS. Lovely car, and I was a Cruiser of the Month here for November.
All right, everybody hold in front of you.
All right. You guys squeeze close.
Smile, guys.
Tighten it up. Tighten it up.
Very cool.
My new car.
Turn around, let's get a,
All right, let's
get a
get 'em
shot
up.
of it here.
Picture with it.
Hold on, I
Right.
got a photo bomb this.
Wait a minute.
Wait a minute. Oh yeah, there you Frank in there.
One time of the year.
About time you get in one.
That's it, just Christmas.
Just Christmas, okay.
What award was this again?
This was a non-member non-member award.
Sponsor award, DNA Restoration.
Non-member honorary member. One more picture. There we go. Okay. Oh, DNA is here.
There they are.
Here, all right.
It's a 40 Ford two-door blue
That's nice, right
Dan
Dean.
Dan Dean. Dan Dean. Ruskin, okay, yeah, you're moving the street there, so.
Very good.
All right, all right.
Or whatever.
The monthly signs, they all come back. Thus.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Dan?
All
Come here,
right.
brother.
Hey, buddy.
Dan,
Yeah.
this is extremely heavy.
It's heavy.
Extremely.
About 30 pounds, brother.
Hey, right, it is.
That means it's durable.
Okay. Thank you.
Cruiser of the month.
Yours and this. Okay. Okay. I need a, you got it? Yeah, I'll need a cart to get it back.
Yeah, all right.
Thank you, guys.
Now,
Well, the trophy you'll take home is under wraps here. This is the trophy that your name will be put on, and it'll be in Gateway cars. That'll be there all the time. And there's another little one.
Your name will be put on the plate right here in the center for the first one. This is the Joseph Ferrante Senior Trophy. This was his idea years ago. He could never get it together. We took a lot of work to get this done. Thank you guys for all, coming back. Now, the winner today has to come back next year to defend his title against the 12 new cars that will be here. So just so you know, you take the sign with you today. You can display this at any show we have, even the Pontiac shows. All right.
there you go. All right. All right. Cruiser of the Year. Car number 190, 1969 Chevy Camaro, orange in color. Kevin Pearson.
All right.
From
Kevin, congratulations.
Congratulations, brother. Very cool. All right, everybody, he's going to reveal this trophy here. Oh my God.
Purple robot, I
I did see that.
Purple robot made out of car parts. Very, very cool.
You're good, all right. All right, give it to you.
Very cool.
One of a kind.
So I get to keep them.
Yes, yes. Picture of it. This way we'll put this up at Gateway. Our backup. Our other backup.
You get one more angle of it.
Bye, everybody. We'll see you December 15th here. Good.
Congratulations.
Thank you.